In this video, we will discuss about submission ID. So what is submission ID? So for example, let's say if you have this form and you have multiple users who submit this form on the same day. So what will happen is like all those submission will go to one email thread because of the same subject line. So with submission ID, you can add a unique ID number on your subject line so that you can easily identify who submitted that form. So it's kind of like a ticketing system. So your user and you get a ticket number on your email, so you can easily identify. Let me show you. So let me submit this form. So if you go to your admin email, so you will typically get a form like this. So as you can see, we have this form with this ticket number 605. So this is an old email, so I'm just showing how it works. So you will get all these emails with different ticket number. So that's how the submission ID works. Let me show you how to set this up. Now let's go to your dashboard, and you can just make sure Ultimate Addon's free version is enabled. And now if you go here and look for submission, so you have the submission ID, you enable this. Now let's go ahead and create a new form. So we click add new form, we name it submit. And first of all, so you need to add the submission ID, insert it. Now let's scroll down, enable this submission ID. So here you need to add the ID starting number. So if you add 400, the ID will start from 400 and then 401, 2. You can set the increment from here. Say if you set 1, it will be 401, 402. If you set it 2, then it will be 402, 404, and so on. So here you can put the submission ID and the mail subject dynamically. So if you click left, the ID will be put on left. If you click right, it will be put on right. If you click show only submission ID, then it will skip the subject test. For now, I think for better use, it's best to put manually. So what you have to do is you click save. Now go to mail tag. Here on the subject line, you can add your custom subject line. Let's say something like this. And we have to replace this with this exact ID. Now let's click save. Now let's copy this code and publish on a page. Let's view page. So now let's check it out. Let's see if we got it. Oh, I think the admin email is wrong. So let me put another email. Let's view it again. Now let's see if we got it now. Yep. So here you go. So you already just tested it with another form. So that's why two forms are showing. So this is how it will look like. So 400, John, and subject line and message body. So let's try again with another user. So let's see how it goes now. So as you can see, we have the 402 because we set the increment 2. And now we have a different user. So that's how the submission ID works. You get two different ID and you can differentiate which ticket number of which user you have. So ticket number 400 is John, ticket number 402 and Charles Brown. So that's how you can create a whole ticketing system and support ticketing system. Also, you can use our Database Pro and email piping system, which will create a whole ticketing system for you. We'll cover that on a later video, how you can set this up. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.